Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video in our series How to Read Arabic Language. And in the previous lesson we did Alif صغيرة, Ya صغيرة, Waw صغيرة. And it exists to stretch the letter. Here we have in this lesson حروف المد. حروف المد. And mad also means stretch, to stretch it, to extreme it. Okay, so, but here we have Alif sukun, Waw sukun, Ya sukun. It's like Alif صغيرة, Waw صغيرة, Ya صغيرة. So we apply the same rules. If you watch the previous video, you will know that this is kind of mad also. But we will explain it again. Okay? For example, Ba Fatha Ba. But if this Alif sukun exists after Ba Fatha, you have to give Ba Fatha double time of the normal Fatha. For example, if Ba Fatha, if that sound Ba take half second, it means here that you have to give it 1 second. Why? Because there is Alif sukun after Ba Fatha, so you have to stretch it. Okay? So it will be Ba. Again, if there is Ta Fatha, and after Ta Fatha Alif sukun, if there is only Ta Fatha, you have to say Ta. But because there is Alif sukun after Ta Fatha, you have to stretch it. You have to say Ta. Give it the double time of normal haraka. Okay? So let's start from the beginning. Ba Fatha, Alif sukun, Ba. Ba Damma, Waw sukun, Bu. Ba Kasra, Ya sukun, Bi. Ba Bu Bi. Ta Fatha Alif sukun, Ta. Ta Damma Waw sukun, Tu. Ta Kasra Ya sukun, Ti. Ta Tu Ti. Tha Fatha Alif sukun, Tha. Tha Damma Waw sukun, Thu. Tha Kasra Ya sukun, Thi. Tha Thu Thi. Ha Fatha Alif sukun, Ha. Ha Damma Waw sukun, Hu. Ha Kasra Ya sukun, Hi. Ha Hu Hi. So again, after any letter has Damma, there is Waw sukun exists after it. Why? To stretch Ha Damma, or to stretch any letter has Damma. And after any letter has Kasra, you will find Ya sukun. Why? To stretch it. And after any letter has Fatha like this, Ha Fatha, you will find Alif sukun. Why? To stretch it also. To give it the double time of normal haraka. So again, if there is Ha Fatha, Ha, take half second from you to say Ha. You have to give it 1 second to say Ha. Okay? Why? Because there is Alif sukun after Ha Fatha, and here also there is Waw sukun after Ha Damma, so that's why you need to stretch it. And also here there is Ya sukun after Ha Kasra, that's why you need to stretch it. So Ha Hi, Ha Hu Hi. The same rules here. Kha Fatha Alif sukun, Kha. Kha Damma Waw sukun, Khu. Kha Kasra Ya sukun, Khi. Kha Hu Hi. Ra Fatha Alif sukun, Ra. Ra Damma Waw sukun, Ru. Ra Kasra Ya sukun, Ri. Ra Ru Ri. Za Fatha Alif sukun, Za. Za Damma Waw sukun, Zu. Za Kasra Ya sukun, Zi. Za Zu Zi. طا فتح ألف سكون، طا. طا ضمة واو سكون، طو. طا كسرة يا سكون، طي. طا طو طي. ظا ظو ضي. فا فو في. ها هو يا يو يي أو إي جا جو جي دا دو دي ذا ذو ذي سا سو سي شا شو شي صا صو صي ضا ضو ضي ع عو عي غا غو غي قا قو قي كا كو كي لا لو لي ما مو مي نا نو ني وا وو وي. Okay, thanks so much. If you like this video, make sure to make like for this video and subscribe to my channel to see next video. Thanks so much. See you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.